ViTA-SSD is a tool for visual analysis on semi-structured documents. In this video, we will showcase our tool using real reviews on a resort in the Caribbean. Let's assume that we are interested in learning more about negative experiences that guests have had in this hotel, and let's see if we can extract any pattern out of them. We start by filtering out the reviews that gave a 5 or 4-star rating to the hotel. We can do this by clicking the corresponding values in the metadata analysis panel. Let's use 8 clusters to organize the reviews in different groups. We start inspecting each cluster, aiming at summarizing their content. We can see that in the first cluster, honeymoon stands out as the main keyword. We can confirm that this cluster is from people that went to the hotel for their honeymoon by looking at the representative documents or by clicking the keyword in the word cloud and investigating the keyword in context. We can make an annotation about this finding. Similarly, for other clusters, we can find out that Cluster 2 focuses on the beach, Cluster 3 on general descriptions of the resort and its brand name, Cluster 4 on rooms, Cluster 5 on hotel services, Cluster 6 on the pool. Cluster 7 is a very small cluster containing reviews with pictures, and Cluster 8 contains reviews where the expectations were not met, while emphasizing that it should be a 5-star hotel. Although we review the clusters very briefly based on the keywords, further investigation is needed in each cluster to better understand what they are about. For instance, Cluster 6 don't say negative things about the pool, but persons say that the room was facing the pool instead of the ocean. Let's have a look at some statistics on the metadata. The resort location doesn't seem to be a problem, as only 5 and 7% of the reviews rated the location with 1 and 2 stars. However, almost 40% rated with 1 or 2 star in the value for money field. Looking at the date field, 25% of these negative reviews were about stays in 2008, and the same happens for 2006. To understand why the 2006 bar is highlighted, we can look at the statistics for all the reviews. This includes the positive and negative reviews. And we can see that there is no change for 2008, but there is an important change in 2006, which may imply that the resort was run below their quality standards during 2006. When looking at patterns between different types of reviews and metadata, we can easily see that negative ratings by people going for honeymoon tended to be unexpectedly more common in 2004. However, this aspect seems to be addressed after 2006, when this type of reviews got their maximum value. Looking now at the service metadata, we can confirm that the lowest rating is in a significantly higher correlation with Cluster 5, which was identified before to be about hotel services from the analysis of their keywords. Finally, we can see that 30% of the reviews are assigned to Cluster 4, which is about room and food aspects. But when looking at the male opinion, 50% of the main complaints are grouped in this cluster. This could suggest that men are likely to be more demanding on this aspect. However, the system hasn't found a statistically significant correlation, possibly due to the limited data on reviewers' gender. Thanks for watching this video.